Hey everybody, today we're going to have a video showing you how to replace the fan or blower assembly of an AprilAire Dehumidifier. Super easy to do, doesn't take a whole lot of time, anybody can do it. Let's get started. Turn off the power to the dehumidifier using the power switch. Next, all we have to do is remove the filter access door. Okay, so what we've done here is we've removed the screws from this side of the cabinet so that it gives us access to the back panel. I've also removed the filter access door. It just makes it a little easier to grab the panel and remove it. So this is your wire that connects to the fan, the blower assembly. Just run that, pop it off over the top of the drain. Then you have to remove this plate. So first thing we need to do is we need to snip this wiring zip tie. Okay, remove the zip tie. This is our fan wire, our fan lead. To do this, we're going to have to remove 2 plugs. We're going to have to remove 2 connectors and 1 ground. First thing that we'll do, remove the blue plug. We'll remove the red plug. Then we're going to take our needle nose. Torx bit. You'll feed all of these through. You will attempt not to destroy the refrigeration lines while you're doing it. And that's not a joke, because they are literally underneath that. All right, to remove the fan assembly, we've got to remove these 2 bolts right here. This is your Torx bit. Remove the first one. Remove the second one. This is now held in place by these same 2 bolts, but on the other side. Now we're going to remove those. Okay. Grab a hold of your fan assembly. This thing is heavy and it's going to want to drop once we remove these bolts. Okay, bolts are removed. I'm going to gently drop that fan assembly down. As you can see, now this entire fan, including its wire, can be removed from the cabinet. New blower is going in. Plate side, blower forward, blanking plate to the back. Okay, rest it inside of the cabinet. Take your 2 screws, grab your blower. As you can see, just hand feed these screws in so that your blower, which is heavy, stays in place. Okay, do the same on the other side, but tighten the other side down. So, brackets in place, holes are aligned, we're hand feeding the screws so everything stays nice and in place for us. Take our Torx bit, secure the fan bracket, and now it's time to reattach our wires. So to do this, you've got to take your fan wires, you've got to feed them back through. Keeping in mind your refrigeration lines are here, and we do not want to put any pressure on these refrigeration lines. So very carefully, we feed them back through. So the first 2 wires that we'll put back in place are our ground wire, which is our yellow. We're going to take this, we're going to insert our hex screw. Next are brown and blue terminals. Brown goes to the left, blue goes to the right. Okay. Take our red wire, indicated by our red fan lead, and Connect, blue wire, blue fan lead, feed it through, connect, replace our wiring panel cover, Torx bit, secure the panel in place, fan wire over the top of the drain, bends underneath the drain pan and tucks into place. So now we have our styrofoam in our panel. Take our styrofoam first. We line up our styrofoam with the openings. Take the cover, put it back over. Turn power back on to the dehumidifier.
And your dehumidifier is ready to operate.
So if you have any questions, we want you to contact our tech support, 1-800-334-6011, or if you need additional information or resources, please visit our contractor-only website, www.AprilAirePartners.com. With that, thanks very much. Have a great day.